Today we're going to talk about the driving performance evaluation sheet here, the DMV. Okay, so in particular we're going to talk about a critical air. So this is very important. They also ask you to read it. If you make one of the critical air, then the test is over. Okay, so I'm going to explain briefly. They have a couple items here, Okay, like the intervention by examiner. The examiner maybe control over the steering wheel, Okay, you strike the object. They're going to ask you to pull into the curb and park it. You hit the curb. If they mark it, the test is over. And these very written, very easy. So like disobey traffic sign, stop sign, you don't stop. Sometimes the disobey personnel, they have a crossing guard and then you keep rolling. So dangerous maneuver. Sometimes you make a right turn, it's too sharp, or make a left turn. Make a right turn and too sharp to the curb or too wide to the curb. They call dangerous maneuver. Okay, lane violation. So you cross the yellow line when you make a left turn. So only thing you make sure you be aware and then learn how it is. Okay, so basically they mark one of these, then the test is over. All right, so that's good enough for today about critical air, and see you at the next movie. And thank you.